In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Calendar not syncing with Office 365, a scenario that can cause quite a bit of disruption if you're relying on your calendar for staying on top of meetings and appointments. Let's dive in with a methodical approach to getting things back in working order. First, you'll want to open Outlook and direct your attention to the Send/Receive tab. This is a foundational step because within this tab, we find key settings that may impact how your calendar syncs. Now, once you're there, be sure to look out for a button labeled Work Offline. It's crucial that this is not enabled. If you see that it's highlighted, simply click on it to disable the offline mode. Staying online is essential, as offline mode can inadvertently stop your changes and updates from syncing properly with Office 365. With Outlook Online, our next focus should be on making sure both Outlook and Office are up to date. Older software builds are notorious for creating bugs and sync issues, and keeping everything updated ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. To do this, make your way to the File tab, and then select Office Account. Here you should see an option that says Update Options. Click on that, and then select Update Now. This will initiate an update process, making sure that your applications are current, squashing any lurking bugs that might cause your calendar sync issues. If the problem mostly involves shared calendars not updating, a refresh is sometimes needed. First, you need to remove the shared calendar. Do a quick restart of Outlook after that. Once Outlook is back on, you can add the calendar back again. To do this, go to the Calendar view, find the Add Calendar option, and select Shared Calendar. Re-adding it can often help reset the sync configuration and get things moving smoothly again. One last step for tackling shared calendar syncing issues is to clear Outlook's cache. Specifically, this is about disabling shared calendar caching, which can prevent updates from flowing. For this, you'll need to go back to the File menu and navigate to Account Settings. You will see an additional Account Settings option. Click on that. Next, select your account and choose Change. You should see a More Settings button. Click on it, then go to the Advanced tab. Within the Advanced Settings, there's an option to disable Download Shared Folders. Make sure this is deselected to clear any cached data that might be causing trouble. After making this adjustment, restart Outlook one more time. Each of these steps is designed to address specific syncing hurdles and encourage a smooth flow of information between your Outlook calendar and Office 365. By the end of this process, you should see your calendar syncing once again, ensuring you stay on top of your tasks and scheduled meetings without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Outlook calendars back on track.